Hello, my beautiful moms and dads. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to take you guys with me as I clean. We're going to fast forward, of course. But of course, we need music first. I have my playlist that I usually use when I am cleaning around the house. But first of all, I need it to connect to my Bluetooth. Like, I'm struggling, guys. It's not connecting. There we go. Yes. Now, let's see what we're working with today, guys.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So my desk is piled with crap. The table is piled with crap. Stuff on the floors. Hi, Sasuke. And I'm sure his fur is everywhere. I definitely need to dust because it's been a while since I've actually dusted. The couch is a mess. Yes. So much to do, so little time. Oh, the kitchen. Oh, and look at the floors. The kids are constantly in and out, playing outside, and the leaves are always in my kitchen and living area. So, let's attack, guys. Let's get it done. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and clear my desk of everything that does not belong there. I really need to do a complete reorganization. Dance break. Hey. Anyway, I really do need to reorganize my desk desperately, get rid of some things, shift some things. But for now, this will do. Some documents that I needed to leave out, so that's there. Clearing off stuff from doing hair the day before and just wiping it down. I absolutely love my Lysol wipes. I use them on pretty much every surface around my house. It's just easy. It makes my life so much easier. Big time. And I just love them. And I wipe my chairs down as well because sticky fingers, even though the boys now sit at their own table, is something I still do. I love this table. My mother-in-law got it for the boys for Christmas, and it is the cutest. We had it in their bedroom for a second, but we moved it into the front more recently. And I actually put their names on it, as you can see, using the Cricut machine, not my Silhouette, but the Cricut. And the boys love it. Now I'm dusting this good old TV. I saw so many fingerprints, y'all. It was driving me nuts. And so I just kept scrubbing at my TV, trying not to damage it and still get it done. But yeah, dusting off the Xbox and the controllers and behind the TV because there's a lot of dust that had built up back there. And there I go again, trying to get those spots. So my little makeshift entertainment center tends to pile up with Sasuke's fur, so I have to make sure that I dust that actually pretty often. And I'm just getting those books wiped down as well and put back on the shelf. And my lanterns. I love my lanterns. I think I'm going to move them from over there, though. Moving the couch and the ottoman out of the way so that I can vacuum my rug, which I seriously want to replace. I don't do anything special. I was out of carpet freshener and I didn't think to use my Arm & Hammer. So I just did my zigzag motion to get it all clean. Now this couch cover, guys, I really like. I actually got it from Target. I think it's the Sure Fit. And it is the suede or micro suede, I think it is, in gray, and I absolutely love it. That couch was given to us and it did not match our color scheme, so I went and scooped that up and it functions. I just need to get some throw pillows. Now I am sweeping the floors while talking to my sister on the phone. My floors, look at that. So much crap, y'all. It's ridiculous. So the living room is now done. On to the kitchen, which, because that area is like right by the back door, we tend to pile crap up so easily right there. It is insane. Seriously, we just walk in and pile up. Look at all that laundry I have to attack. I attacked that actually the following day and got that done. My laundry room is a whole nother video, guys. A whole nother video. I despise laundry. Anyway, getting the countertops wiped down because my daughter does not do a sufficient job when she does it at night after doing dishes. So I always have to, even if I don't have crap on the counter, I always end up going behind her. So now I'm going to shine the stainless steel in the kitchen. And I cannot remember the name of the particular one that I'm using. So I'll just put a link down below of which one it is. I'm actually considering trying a new one, guys. But anyway, I'm going to shine everything because I like everything to look a certain way. And this particular product has really been doing a good job. I just really wanted to try the Method line. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try that out and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Getting the kitchen swept. And that's it, guys. Everything is now in its place, nice and neat. Not really a deep clean, but a everyday clean. And it probably took me about an hour. Of course, I fast forwarded for you guys. And there is Riley, man, being his silly self. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. You know, you can find me on my social media platforms, Fun with Char Bear, on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. And I will see you guys in my next video.